Hello guys, today we will be playing Beesworm Simulator. I am genuinely chopped as hell right now. It is like 2 a.m. It's a new account on a Irrigooner, bro. Get out of here. Ooh, free honey day. Give this anyways, guys, going for 15 down. Sound good? Oh shit, no need to do that. I should have given that to Mommy Mutter Bear. Just a chill guy, chat. Trust. Why have I decided to do a Beesworm playthrough at like 3 a.m.? I don't know. My mom's gonna come up here and hit me. Fuck, I'm too retarded. I'm not locked in. Oh, dandelion. Oh, my bag's full. Bye-bye, my girl. By the way, I can't be ep1 today. Hey guys, I finished another quest. Can't buy my next slave yet. It's too expensive. I'm gonna homeless. Hurry up, Colin Fetcher. Empty my bag and buy another backpack. Or big bag hobbies. Nope, my bag's already empty. Damn it. Usually I'll take a private, but I have to leech off kids. It's too short. God damn it. Kill me. I'm gonna try and be family friendly, but I'm not sure if it's possible. Kill me. Too slow. I'm dumb. That one's so dumb. Might be a bit slow. Add on it because he's tough. Papa on it. Okay, I might be dumb. Oh, kill me. I want to join the group. Age verification required. What is this? Bro, what did I do to Roblox? Just want to join my group, bro. So like, I have to verify my account, guys. Like, so gay. I don't use this email anymore, so like, okay, bro, I keep connecting, pissing me off. Kill me, kill me. And I'm gonna violently diddle this. Jesus Christ, I'm dumb. Now can I join Papa on his group? 2 a.m. reform sessions, kind of miserable. I don't know why my phone clock says 12:45. Literally 2:42 a.m. right now. Glitchy off phone. Down my phone number and email. What is this? I'm not joining the group, bro. Too fat for this. Just gonna go back to playing. I might be the slowest person ever. I'm just a much riddler. call you Millie. Millie, you're fat. Yuck. You're just gonna buy a B instead of doing that. Also too poor to do that. Fuck. Yay, my bag's full. I'm getting triggered. Like getting riggy. Oh, I can't say that on YouTube. Got cancelled last time. Extra special be there. Parkour. Oh, let me go. Oh, I fell. God damn it. Ooh. You guys familiar with Vitamin Delicious? It's quite easy, itty bitty buffering. Way up my rib. I'm a mad face aura. Millie, guys. Millie's sleeping? Ooh, Millie. Oh, I'm gonna like kick you. You're like, okay, wait, I might have to kill Millie now. God damn it, I can't speak English. Hurry up and empty my bag. Eat my one gingerbread bear. Oh, wow. Now gifted from the single blueberry. Kill me. Please don't. Like, shitty on five, but like, I'm poor. Sprint. KFC bear. What's this now? Ooh, I want to jump off a bridge. Yay! Do a beast for this. I ate 4 Big Macs before this. Anyways, yay. I have a backpack now. I'm so fancy. Parkour. Ooh. God damn it. Ooh. Oh, wait. Too short. Ooh. Oh, gangbang. Ooh. Like I got like the most chop class ever at school. Like, what if it got me about like 4 lessons, bro? Like, if you want to play peaceful all day chat. Honestly, this might be chill. Kind of just want to play. I'm just gonna do this every single day. I start streaming. Like, that would be kind of chopped, but like, it would be funny to see me streaming. I'm what the most, let's just say, special person you'll ever meet. Wait, let me cook? Oh. Swear to God, do I have a micro? No. Touch the bubble. Never mind. Kill me. Oh, I can get a newbie while I'm sprinting home. Home, tail, Millie. God damn it. Give me a gifted, gifted fuzzy. Gifted fuzzy bee. The hasty bee. Haste, bro. Kind of obese. Oh, I need one of those ticket vouchers. This guy, please spare me shit, bro. I'm homeless. What I would do for a fish speed right now, I honestly might give on it head if he gives me a vicious speed. Let me cook. What's my bee bear quality? Oh yeah. Minus 10 calorie token. Move so much faster. I'm gonna get a gifted PCB from this, and if I don't, I'll violently hit somebody. That sucks. Okay, get out of here, bully. Brave beast. Yes. Valid. What are we forgetting to do? I'm gonna make a day. Get my day forming. Walls. Cut a line. Fully tossed day. Kill me. Ooh. Okay, get stuck in the ball. I have 5 bees. Okay, good. Pepper Patch, I can't touch that thing. If I could, I would, but like, can't, so I won't. I'm trying to fight Spider. He's tough. Like 20 subscribers, chat. Who's gonna check him out, bro? Guys, I'm gonna blow up in 40 seconds. colors. I'm going to I'm willing to contribute the redhead for the obvious Go, Millie. Millie, kill it faster. Ouch. Millie goes to sleep. I'm firing her. Good job, Millie. Oh, Millie went to sleep. You're killed it already. Pull it aside, Millie. Honey days, like, it shouldn't be that hard. Right, school's gonna be tough tomorrow. I am not in college, bro. I am like 4 years old, chat. But if I dropped out of college to play B-Swarm, I wouldn't have enough money to pay for high school. City to math, so yeah. Like, I can't be a dropout. I'm not even sure like getting this audio, bro. I haven't used like screen recording in like 62 years, bro. Kill me. Well, like, I afford a gift to the gig. No, kill me. What can I afford? I can afford that. Cool. What else can I afford? Nothing. Awesome. How much do I need? 22,000, okay. 14,000. How about if I just buy a whole ton of these to empty my bag faster? Would be there. Blue ability and bloom petals. Well, I don't like bloom petals. They're giving me war trauma from when I did the retro storm challenge. Guys, don't worry, I'll play on my main and one of my videos. I already did a while back, like a year ago, before I was like way high. Like the most chopped person ever. I listened to one of those videos and I like sounded like a D1 Discord mod, so please don't call me a Discord mod. Like if you do that, I will find where you live and violently delete you. In GTA. Trust. Bro, I'm trying to glitch. Parkour. Wait. Bro, I'm so bad at parkour. Jump up high already. Oh, let me cook. Oh, parkour. Oh. Infinite technique. Strawberry field. Her red pollen. Ooh, ouch. That wasn't very kind of that ladybug, was it, guys? This is why we crash. No, I have 7 bees. Discovered 8 types of bees. Well, how is that possible? Yeah, I forgot I can gamble in this game. I have no gamble items. Please be usable. Nope, kill me. king beetle once my whole hive is level 5. I have 82 bees. That'll kill it. Some pretty snow food. Into my inventory it goes. Too homeless to buy the night before bundle that I was gonna get a gifted exhausted bee, which I'm gonna use as a white hive, the white hive propaganda. And it's the best hive color. It might be I'm the best beast farm YouTuber out there. Glory and Vitamin Delicious. But Vitamin Delicious is like a legend. He got like scammed on like for a return policy on like goddamn eBay, I think. And like, was that a hacker or is that just a guy spam resetting? Black bear. Best. Black bear. I don't like that. I don't think that's a hacker. I think that's just a macro. Maybe special. Gifted me. 9 700. I hate my life. Gifted basically is the only good bees that exist. So whole beast, guys. It took me like 5 minutes to make it to my hive. Festive gift. 49,000,000% of that. You know, if I go on my main right now, I can like turn this alt all the way to level like 10. I don't know what a level 10 in these one is. God damn it, I just stuttered so hard. Should I go to bed, guys? I'm gonna have like a brain aneurysm. I'm pretty sure it just turned to like 3 a.m. bro. It's getting late. I'm gonna get jumped by what I'm doing, guys. Please don't cancel me. I'm just playing Beast Worm. It's the only way I make money. My job. I make approximately $0 an hour, but I make 10 honey a second. Holy Riz. You want to know how to like get Riz? Any learners have the Rizzler? Yes, he's right. Oh, never mind. The guy with the Rizzler bee left. Like, does this guy have a Rizzler bee? Oh yeah, look, he has a gifted Rizzler bee, guys. Glorious honeybee, bro. If you ever want to rizz up the hive, just like mod like honeybee, bro. You'll genuinely become like the coolest person ever if you start modding like honeybee. I don't know what I'm on, guys. I'm pretty sure it's crack, but how am I supposed to know? Okay, I need my maxed out backpack. Yeah, a treat. Okay, that should be good enough. Time to feed Millie, bro. Millie, level up. exclusively used for map building. So, yeah. Oh yeah. You can say 40 now, guys. Cold 10,000. Call it. So tough. Wait, oh. God damn it. Thought I could jump on those. Sprint. Ouch, I hit my head. And with the black bloom paddle. Guys, my goal is to make it to where I have 4 vector. My high. And 4 now. Or towards the end of business. If I do that, genuinely be stacked. Like, I think I'm gonna go for, like, maybe pedal one. I don't like the gate quest. It's too much work and I'm fat. Okay, bro, this is so slow. Sprint. Oh yeah. Random token from Leaf. That's Rain Cloud gives pollen and unique instant conversion. I don't know what that is, even though I've been playing this game for 8 years on my main. I think this game's only been out for like 7, but like, who cares? Okay, dandelion time. Into a blender. I don't know what I'm on, guys. But all I know is it's a 4B swarm. And anything 4B swarm is good. If you didn't know that, well, you're dumb. Wise words said by science fair up there. Looking down on the rhino beetles and probably gooning to them. Okay, I'm gonna make the floor white. Jump. Okay, I have. Oh, now I can buy these. I'm at 7 currently. Pretty sure it may be like... Oh no, that's expensive. Oh no, I'm gonna be here all night, aren't I? I lagged out, guys. Oh, my phone's about to even worse. Holy cornball. KB work after I need to hurry up. I'm gonna have to end at like 9 because my beats are working so slow. Guys, my beautiful bacon walk and my beautiful parkour pro. I don't edit these videos, by the way. So, like, if I do something stupid, I don't edit it because I'm too fat. I might be able to hire Ooh, I don't have that yet. That's not very good. Cost 23,000. Guys, I need to boost. Guys, I can boost with nothing. Right? Cook. And boost. Bomb. White bomb. Red. Holland boost. Red boost. Minus 10 cardi. Minus 10 obesity points. Ugly flower. Ugly bomb. Pretty bomb. Flower buff for redness. I don't know what this might be a waste of my time, but like I like this old stuff. White hide YT. Really white hide propaganda, but like 30. Ooh, that might be a bit hard, guys. Let's go to the only good field in existence. And let's grind. Headshot 223. Guys, I might put music over this. It might be possible, but I was supposed to have my music off. So you guys were able to hear me. Ooh, I just turned it off, so, sorry guys. This first video might be really shitty, but I'm not re-recording this because then I would have to make a new account. So, don't be upset. Not my fault, it's your guys' fault. Give me the stupid token. Did convert using this thing, right? No. Sprint. Wait. Millie. This is Tilly. This is Willie. Millie, Tilly, Willie. What is this gonna be? Okay, one more convert might make me enough. Guys, my life has just become 10% better. Okay, I'll do the holy parkour after this. Okay, wait, my hive is already like full white hive. I make so much. I'm still mixed. I need pineapple though, it's like the best field. And then it's pumpkin. After you're done with pineapple. Then it's spider and coconut dragon game with white hive. Parkour pro. Oh no. Ouch. Ooh, let me cook. Kill me. Ooh. Parkour pro. Oh. 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 Shift block for this one. Oh. Oh. Oh wait, I can't kill myself. Swerve. Maneuver. Jump over. Hop. Hop. Go this way. Go diagonally. Go straight. Keep the perfect pathing. Okay. Go down. Willie, Tilly, Willie. The gang. I'm doing hand gestures that you guys can't even see, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't think I think I need like more than what I need. I need like 5 mil more. Why is this game so much work? Oh. Yay. Made 2,000 honey from that. I can afford it. Thank you, Sparkles. I love you. So, today's progress, we made it to the 10B zone. We did pretty good. So I'm gonna finish off on my man with memory matches. Then yeah. My phone's at like 22,000,000% battery damage. Wait, let me turn off my music again. No, you don't. Yeah, you do need it off. Can I load, please? Okay, guys. To my hive. I'm kinda poor right now on my man. I don't have anything good. I'm rich, bro. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna start with the winter one. My favorite one. Oh. Damn it, I'm done. Yes! I got 12 rocks. I'm about to bust. God damn it. Shit, guys. Make 4 luck. You sticky ass blue hive's blue stick. I'd rather die than be a blue hive. Like, guys. Oh, now I'm on cooldown. Let's do extreme gamble. Oh, nothing. Oh, that 1, 2. What am I doing? Oh, there. I need those pineapples actually. Those have helped. And then the one trying 10 glue. No, 10 gumdrop. No, 50 gumdrop. Shitty bee. And I'm doing a basic egg this time. I think I already have that. Yes, I do. Well, bye guys. See you tomorrow, I think. I think I'll be posting daily for a bit. But, yeah. Bye. God damn it, I can't even end the video, bro. That special.